Welcome to Geology, the study of planet Earth, where the disciplines of physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, atmospheric sciences, and astronomy come together to reveal the history, the structure, and the inner secrets of Earth and other solar system objects. In the process, geologists reveal the interactions of the solid Earth with the biosphere, the atmosphere and oceans, and with human society. Having an entire planet's worth of choices, geologists pursue careers in fields ranging from purely practical, including water resource management and environmental monitoring, energy and economic resource exploration, environmental hazard assessment, and many fields of public service, to strictly academic, including paleontology and planetary sciences. With other professional qualifications, they become civil and environmental engineers, secondary educators, environmental consultants to health and legal professions, policy advocates, and academic faculty and researchers. Whatever their specialty, geologists typically divide their work hours between the field, the laboratory, and the office. If you enjoy observing nature outdoors, thinking about society's dependence and influence on it, working with computers to solve problems and develop models, using sophisticated equipment to measure physical characteristics of natural materials, learning outdoors, thinking about ancient global environments on timescales of millions or even billions of years, or visualizing the surfaces and interiors of other planets, then geology might be a good professional fit. Because of its planet-wide scope, geologists choose from a wide range of disciplines, such as volcanology, the study of volcanic eruptions; paleontology, the study of life history as preserved in the rock record; geomorphology, the study of features of Earth's changing surface; structural geology, the study of the mechanics of rock deformation; stratigraphy, the interpretation of Earth history preserved in layered rock units; hydrogeology, the study of the interactions of surface, ground, and ocean waters with the physical Earth; seismology, the study of the physics of seismic wave propagation; planetary sciences, the application of the principles of geology to other planets. Any competent undergraduate program in geology can teach you this. What makes Maryland's geology major different? First, geology at Maryland offers 3 geology major tracks. One for standard professional geology, one for secondary education students specializing in earth and space sciences, and one for people applying the methods of physics to geologic problems. For students committed to other majors but wanting to add depth to their educations, we offer 8 distinct minors in a wide range of geologic subdisciplines. Importantly, we are a small department that fosters strong personal relations between students and faculty. As a geology major, you can expect useful mentoring relationships with faculty and small upper-level classes primarily taught by tenure-track researchers. Above all, at Maryland, geology is dedicated to inculcating the skills of scientific research, both through coursework and through our senior thesis research program. Many academic departments support senior thesis research where select students pursue independent research in which they master scientific research skills, contribute to scientific knowledge by identifying a significant research question, then developing and implementing a research program to address it, report their findings in a professional format. At Maryland, the senior research thesis is a requirement that every major completes. For almost 50 years, geology has cultivated this structured research program with the active collaboration of the entire faculty, making it integral to our institutional culture. Whether you intend to pursue graduate studies or to go directly into geosciences industries, you will definitely learn the professional practices of scientific researchers in a project that is like a scale model of a graduate master's thesis. Become proficient in every method of public presentation employed by grad schools and industry. Produce a manuscript that can add to geology's impressive bibliography of peer-reviewed publications of undergraduate research. And put the finishing touches on a transcript that shows the world that you have the chops to perform serious research wherever your next step takes you. For more information, visit our website and feel free to contact us. See you at summer orientation.